Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Discord server. First, open your Discord application on your desktop or mobile device. Look for the plus icon on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll start. You'll then have the option to either create a brand new server from scratch or join one that already exists using an invite link. It's a straightforward process to get started. If you're creating a new server, select Create My Own and decide if you want to use a template or start from scratch. Next, give your server a unique name and upload a cool icon to represent it. Once your server is set up, you can easily invite friends by sharing the generated invite link or by searching for their Discord usernames. It's simple to build your community. To join an existing server, click on the Join a Server option. You'll need to paste the invite link that was provided to you into the designated field. Make sure the link is current and hasn't expired to ensure a successful connection. Once you've joined, take some time to explore the various channels and roles to get a feel for the server's community and organization. It's a great way to connect. After connecting, you can manage your server settings, roles, and permissions to maintain an organized and welcoming environment. Use both text and voice channels effectively to cater to different communication styles and activities within your community. Remember to keep your server active and engaging for everyone. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.